Inspection lanes offer a way for shops to identify service opportunities quickly and talk with the customer about their vehicle health. Before installing an inspection lane in your shop, though, there's a few things you need to consider. We'll go over them next. When shopping around for inspection lane equipment, you want equipment that fits with the layout of your shop. Consider these aspects before you make an investment. First, what type of inspection equipment do you want? Typically, inspection lane equipment comes in above ground or flush mount systems that are built into the ground. Flush mount systems have several advantages. They create a sleek built-in look, are unobtrusive, and don't create a distraction in the driving aisle. However, know that you'll have to break ground in the drive aisle and figure out the equipment's electrical setup. Next, figure out where you want the inspection equipment. If the equipment is placed near the entrance of the service drive, the customer will likely perform the drive-over test. If it is placed near the exit of the service drive, a service advisor or technician will perform the test. Each has its own advantages depending on the shop's setup. Finally, consider how many inspection lanes you want. Your car count, the size of your shop, and your finances will play a role here. If feasible, it's a good idea for each drive aisle to have an inspection lane. This allows for 100% inspection of all incoming vehicles so that your shop doesn't miss out on potential revenue. In addition, don't forget about the training that's involved to use the equipment. A shop's entire service team, including the service manager, should be familiar with the equipment and how to use it. I'm Maddie Winer, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studios at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.